Tell me your name.
Samson.
What do you like about the campus ministry, and how has joining it helped you?
Meeting a lot of new people and getting to learn about Christ in a different way.
Have you heard about the General Assembly coming up in July, and did you register?
Yes, I have, but I have not registered yet.
Okay. What are you looking forward to in the assembly?
Getting to learn more about Christ and being able to engage with people in a different way.
Tell me your name.
Cedar.
What do you like about the campus ministry, and how has joining it helped you?
I like that it brings us together closer to God. We learn a lot of things, especially me. I've become a lot more like religious. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Have you heard about the General Assembly coming up in July, and did you register?
I didn't register. I just heard about it. I'll definitely be going though.
Okay, perfect. What are you looking forward to in the assembly?
Um, Probably some of the sermons and bring some of my friends along. Yeah, that's it.
Perfect.